Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATNM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move when you consider where the price was to where it ultimately closed up there. Sure, it pulled back a little bit, but like I said, from a bigger picture right here, the bulls made progress, no doubt about it. And that brings up a very logical question. Yeah, the bulls made progress. Yeah, it was a good move, but was there any sort of true power behind the move? Was there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is right here at the 98-cent mark. Why is 98 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's going to make progress and not go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 98 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. Not saying it'll happen. But let's just say it pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 98 cents. Now, what about areas of resistance? Really, there's one key one that currently stands out. So let's get that mapped out. And that is right here at the $1.10 mark. So price almost got to it today, but quite a bit of price history around $1.10. But really, top priority, in my opinion, is not breaking levels of resistance. The top priority is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over those longer stretches of time, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Now things just become and transition into the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.